One of the strengths of our program and one of the unique aspects of our program is that we have very small cohorts of students that go through our program together. Our student population is very diverse. We have students from all types of backgrounds. We have international students, we have athletes and non-athletes. We have former professionals who are coming back to get a degree, and we have traditional master's students who've just finished their undergraduate degree, all in the same classroom. And with those cohorts, there's the opportunity to network and also learn from the experiences that your other students have had.
Here in the master's program at St. Mary's, we're encouraged to learn from our classmates and our professors in a very conversational style. There's been a lot of opportunities to lead in my classes and also to learn about leadership, and that has translated onto the field and onto my role as a captain on the women's soccer team, which has been really beneficial to me. I'm Emily Jensen. I'm a captain on the women's soccer team here at St. Mary's, and I'm getting my MA in Kinesiology.
St. Mary's is a Division I athletic school in the NCAA, and we have very good access to working with not only the administration of the athletics program here at St. Mary's, but also access to the teams. And so our master's students will have opportunities to work in a Division I athletic program from the get-go. We have internships and we have coordinator positions that give you the opportunity to work with those athletes and those teams, which inevitably leads to you being more qualified to pursue careers in that area if that's where you want to go.
I'm Albert Ajedo. I'm the assistant volleyball coach here at St. Mary's College of California. So getting my MA in kinesiology at St. Mary's has helped me with the administration part of my job. You know, as a coach, you need to be thinking about marketing and branding and hosting events and things like that. And so that's what really my focus was on in my MA. What makes this program really special is the people that are in it. A gathering, and you're sitting with your professor and your classmates, and you're chatting, you're laughing, and that's something that's really special here.